So you're
Hey! No words.
dang it, it's Gordon Ramsay.
It's Gordon Ramsay?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Is it a chef?
Gordon
That's not gonna fit your head.
The chef on Roblox.
What is that? See, it's a Goodeny
Air dancer.
inflatable tube, man. Air dancer. Ta-da! Let's see how it looks. Oh, it's different. Look at that, Kuya.
No, that's Kung Fu Master Taiwan.
It looks like that.
Kung Fu.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Kung Fu. As you can see, look, our way just looks creepy.
Why? Nick, you think, guys, do we need a blower? I don't think we need a blower. Just like that. Oh.
Please have mercy.
He almost punched you, Timmy.
I took his pants.
Oh no! Somebody took our table.
Yay! Now we don't have to go outside.
They can put our dresser there now. We don't have our table. Where is it? The table's gone.
I think they've just abandoned these things.
Yeah, look at that. There's no more abandoned thing.
God.
Slip-ons. Slip-ons. Come on.
Uh-oh. Maybe we need to get a new table. Where's the table at?
I sold it. Because
What happened?
I need the space. Ta-da!
Oh, that's mine.
You think what it is, Azio?
I think it will be...
Huh? Don't show your underwear.
Introducing the newest actor in our show, Jillian.
She's not new. She's always been here around like extra. Okay,
I think
want
a Jillian air dancer.
a Jillian. You think there's a dog air dancer? That's made from China. What is it?
I don't know.
You don't know.
I need help.
How about my kuya? Unbox it, kuya. Sisi said unpack it.
I'll package it.
Unpackage it. Unboxing.
Helicopter.
Don't show violence, kuya. Violence are no space in our channel. It's only right and love.
I like TF2. Helicopter.
What the heck is that?
Helicopter.
Okay guys, so this kids takes forever to unpack, but it takes a quick one to unbox.
Because I married my mama.
Yes, Sissy married me with a SpongeBob ring because he doesn't like SpongeBob. Sissy doesn't like SpongeBob. Look at that, it's not obvious.
SpongeBob. Helicopter.
So who's SpongeBob? You or Kuya?
Me.
Who's Patrick?
Me.
You're also Patrick?
So you're.
Oh, no words.
Dang it! It's Gordon Ramsay.
It's Gordon Ramsay?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Is it a chef?
Gordon
That's not gonna fit your head.
The chef on Roblox.
What is that? See? It's a Goodeny
Air dancer.
inflatable tube, man. Air dancer. Ta-da! Let's see how it looks. Oh, it's different. Look at that, Kuya.
No, that's Kung Fu Master Taiwan.
It looks like that.
Kung Fu.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Kung Fu Chef Master Taiwan.
Oh, it has a chef hat, Kuya. It has a chef hat, and he has a hair under the chef hat, and then he has a mustache. Look at the eyebrows. It's like your eyebrows so thick, right? And a circle eyes. It's a circle eyes, Kuya.
Yeah.
Oh, not the one that's like. What is that?
How much feet?
Oblong. And this is have a mustache and smiling with the scarves with a white chef. What is it? A white chef jacket and what is this? What is that?
Birthday.
What is this? See?
The tie.
Is it the tie? It's a belt and then a black pants. And Sissy says there's no vortex,
Yeah,
but
just
I'm sure there is a zipper.
Just like the. Just like Cosmo.
Just like Capmo. Yes. So this is our number
Air dancer.
5, number 6. No, we have
6 years old air dancer.
guys. We have a Goodeny flag with tie air dancer. We have pizza air dancer. We have clown air dancer. We have what is the other one, Kuya?
I don't know.
Eagle air dancer. This number 5. Other one that is the pirate air dancer. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a number 6.
Yes.
Inflatable tube man air dancer from Goodeny. So Sissy,
It's going home.
we gotta put it on and we gotta compare it with the.
So, Wackies, here are the two differences of the air dancers. As you can see, Look Our Way just looks creepy.
Why?
It has a real face.
Oh yeah, like a human face right there.
Yeah.
Is that cartoon?
Meanwhile, this,
Goodeny.
it's good. Has
Yeah.
cartoonish face.
And I guess it's a back-to-back.
Yeah.
It's back-to-back for the Goodeny. Oh wow, and for the. Oh, they're also back-to-back. So what else, Kuya?
And
What else the difference? I think the Goodeny has hair.
I'm gonna go home. And Look Our Way looks like this guy just works for U.S. Foods.
Which one?
Hmm.
The Look Away looks like you works on the U.S. Foods, and then the Goodeny looks like works cartoon foods. But I think the Goodeny chef air dancer has a nice uniform chef.
Yeah.
The Look Our Way air dancer is an ordinary
School chef.
school chef. Uniform chef. Right, guys? So, but they both have a black pants, right? But his uniform, Goodeny, inflatable tube man, air dancer, chef, has a nicer uniform. Right? That's awesome, guys. So, we gotta put them together.
If this one doesn't a vortex.
What the heck is that?
Mommy, this one has a vortex.
Oh,
A
let me see.
vortex.
Awesome. So the look-away has a vortex, so it gives him.
And this one doesn't have a vortex.
Oh yeah. So the Goodeny doesn't have a vortex. The look-away has a vortex, so it gives him more waving, flailing,
Mommy,
dancing. Shoot.
Mommy, look.
What? Oh, because look at that. It's like a kite. That's awesome. How about this, Kuya, yours? Make it fly. Okay, let's see how it flew. You think, guys, do we need a blower? I don't think we need a blower. Just like that. Oh, Kuya, it's nicer on you, huh? Your air dancer is better. How about you see? Open it up. Ready? When the wind blows. And go! Oh, Kuya's flying more.
No.
I think the material for this is
He just
Peter.
did.
right, but the material for this one
That's the word.
thinner also, but maybe it's because it's new. All right, so let's do it. See, what you think, Kuya?
Oh. I just wanted these two air dancers for the win. What do we do?
They might fly. It's so windy. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Where's your baby brother?
Oh, he's racing with the big wheel.
With the pig. Wow. You're so awesome. It's like, it looks like he has a shades. Oh my goodness, look at that.
Speed bump.
Whoa.
Okay, before we turn these on, I want you to like and subscribe, or else you'll be forced to cook for Chef Ramsay.
Both Chef Ramsay. This is Chef Gordon, right? This is Gordon.
So this is Gordon.
And that's Ramsay.
Yes.
Gordon Ramsay. Chef Gordon and Chef Ramsay.
What? Turn them on.
How about Sissy? Oh my goodness. How about you see? Whoa! Wow! Which one you like, guys? Gordon or Ramsay? Look our way, Chef Air Dancer or Goodeny Inflatable Human Chef Air Dancer. Wow! Beautiful! Woo! Wow! Look at that, guys! It's beautiful! Oh, it's so windy! Windy, guys! Wow!
subscribe. Or else you'll be forced to cook for Gordon and Ramsay.
Oh my goodness, still so windy, guys.
Wait, that's all for day, Lucky. See you next time. Bye. That's our day. Bye bye. Remember to subscribe or else you're going to turn to a pizza.
He's gonna turn it off. Gordon's still alive. Ah!
Die!
What? Ah. There you go.
I die him.
Thank you, Kuya. Wow.
Yeah, Kuya, please don't give me a...
That's awesome, Kuya. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now it's Kevin's
You're
time.
welcome.